Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'll show you guys on how to do an online check-in in Lufthansa. So first, search up Lufthansa on your web browser, or you could just download the app in your phone. So once you've searched it, click on the first link here and then click on agree for the privacy settings, and then press my booking and then click on check-in, and then make sure when you're gonna check in, make sure you should check in 30 hours before your flight, so there will be no more inconveniences. So once you're here, what you want to do is book your reference or ticket number, and then put in your first name and last name, and then click confirm. And then once you're done, all you have to do is just present your boarding pass, and now you don't need to wait for long lines while checking in now. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to check in online in Lufthansa. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.